Good day, everyone. We are the researchers from Escuela Secundaria Señor de Salinas. For today, we're going to present a research study entitled Students' Attitudes and Behaviors Towards Academic Integrity in the Modular Distance Learning, Basis for School-Based Development Program. Academic dishonesty has been a problem throughout history. This becomes even more prevalent in this era of modern technology and faster communication mechanisms via the internet. With the advent of new cheating methods such as paper mills, text messaging, multimedia phones, and cut and paste plagiarism, students are finding new ways to cheat and more clever ways to avoid detection. Online Kopyahan Facebook group, Brainly.com, among others, are just some of the online platforms where some students resort to in finding answers to the assessments given to them in the modular distance learning in the present time. Academic integrity is a commitment, even in the face of adversity, to 5 fundamental values of honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. Violation of the academic integrity commonly manifests as cheating, resulting in the student not acquiring the expected knowledge. Academic dishonesty is prevalent in the tertiary education. For the research questions, what is the demographic profile of the participants? What is the status of academic environment in ESSDS in terms of the policies and perceived prevalence of dishonesty behaviors? What is the frequency of the self-reported cheating behaviors the student engages in the past academic terms? What is the level of seriousness of the academic dishonest behaviors as perceived by the senior high school students? The participants of the study consist of 50 students from the different sections in ESSDS. Descriptive quantitative design was the method used in the study, using frequency count, mean, and standard deviation in the analysis of data. The academic integrity survey developed by Don Macabe was adopted and used as the main instrument. For the results, majority of the participants were female. As shown in the table, the participants consist of 50% female and 46% male, with 4% chose not to report their gender. In terms of strands, the largest percentage of the participants were from the UMS strand, which consists 52%, 38% of them were from the ABM strand, and 10% from the TVL strand. As discussed in Chapter 3, the academic environment was described in this research as those factors in the environment that can cause the students to engage or not engage in any form of academic dishonesty. It included the existence of academic dishonest behaviors committed by other students and the school policies related to academic dishonesty. The results revealed that the students rated the faculty's or teachers' knowledge about the school policies concerning the student cheating behaviors highest among the other criteria. It means that the ESSDS students are confident that their teachers were aware of the school's academic policies with regards to academic dishonest behaviors. As to the prevalence of academic dishonest behaviors, the students rated plagiarism as the most prevalent, while cheating on the test or exams is the least prevalent. In terms of the frequency of self-reported cheating behavior, findings reveal that most students work on assignments with other persons when the teachers ask for individual work. As to the perceived seriousness of cheating behaviors, the students perceive that copying from another student during a test without his or her knowledge as the most serious cheating behavior, while working on assignment using digital means when the teacher asks for individual work, the least serious. The faculty's or teachers' knowledge about the school's policies concerning student cheating behavior was rated the highest, while the severity of penalties for cheating was rated the lowest. Plagiarism is the most prevalent academic dishonest behavior, while cheating on tests or exams is the least prevalent. Students working on an assignment with other person when the teacher asks for individual work is the most frequent academic dishonest behavior the ESSDS students engages in. Copying from another student during a test without his or her knowledge is the most serious academic dishonesty act for ESSDS students. In light with the findings, here are the recommendations for future research. Additional research on a larger scale. Examine the association of academic dishonesty attitudes and behaviors with other factors like reading status and subject. Qualitative research that focus on teachers' strategy to prevent academic dishonest behaviors. Research focused on understanding why students engage in academic dishonest behaviors.